Hey, I'm Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the peeing sound effect from Sky. Before I test this sound effect, I will preview it. 1. It's from a video called Gacha Amorishi 1, read description. 2. It was uploaded on June 23, 2024, which is 1 month ago. 3. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 1 to 106. The total seconds are 6. 4. The music will be removed at the beginning and the end. And 5. This sound is only used when I'm peeing in the toilet. I will show you guys that sound effect. It sounds like this. See? This is how the peeing sound effect from Sky sounds like. Now, I am going to test it. Let me go to the bathroom first. I feel so much better. Kids, when you need to pee, just use this sound. It's from Sky's video. Don't use the music part, because it will be removed. I gave a video link in the description, too. Make sure you convert that video to MP3, trim it to 1, and use that sound effect for your toilet videos, okay?